Good day, everyone. I am Jeremiah Salvador Tuliao from the College of Education, Philippine College of Science and Technology. And now, I'm going to present to you the parts of the microscope and their function. So let's start. That's the image of microscope, or what I mean, should I say the electronic microscope. So first, the eyepiece. The part that you look at with your eye, usually 10 times magnification. That is your eyepiece. Okay po, that's number 9. And number 10 is the neck, used to safely transport microscope. Okay? And number 11, the stage, slides, where slides are placed on it or on this. Okay? Number 12 is the coarse adjustment, used to make large changes in focus. Note, never use this when viewing on high power. Okay? Take note of that, guys. And next is the fine adjustment. It's used to small adjustment of focus. And number 14, it's used safely transport the microscope. The base. It's used to safely transport the microscope. If we will see, the base and the neck has the same meaning because they are very important. They have the similar role in the parts of the microscope. Di ba po, kapag gagamit po tayo ng microscope, first things first, minsan hindi natin alam kung saan po natin hindi po natin alam kung saan po natin nahawakan kapag i-place po natin siya kung sa lugar kung saan yung surface is flat, di ba? Hindi natin alam kung saan anong pagdadala natin sa kanya. So, yun po yung role ng neck at ng base. Okay po. And let's go to number 1, the tube. It reflects light up to the viewer's eye. Okay po. And number 2 is the rotating objects. Allows for quick change of objectives. Ito po ay may mga iba't ibang objectives. Later on, matatawag po natin. Okay, the number 3, the low power objective. Sabi ko nga po kanina, the first lens you use when doing proper microscope work. Usually, 4 times magnification. And number 4 is the medium power objective. Yung kanina po is low power, ngayon naman po is medium power objective. The second lens you use when doing proper microscope work, usually 10 times magnification. And the next one is the high power objective. So meron tayong low, meron tayong medium, meron tayong high power objective. The highest magnification used, usually 43 times magnification. Okay? Never use the coarse adjustment when using this lens. Yung nakita po natin yung kanina, yung number 12, po yung coarse adjustment, na note natin doon at nasabi natin doon na huwag gamitin ang coarse adjustment kapag nasa volume po ang ating magnification na napakataas. Okay po. And the number 6, the stage clips. It's used to keep the slide in place. Okay? Para hindi po gumalaw yung glass, kailangan po ng stage clip. Okay po. And next is the diaphragm, used to vary the amount of light passing through the slide. Usually, it is better if the amount of light is low. Okay? And lastly, syempre, the light source sends light up through the diaphragm and through the slide for viewing. Okay? Some of us, or a lot of our schools, we use the typical microscope wherein hindi po siya electronic, di ba? Nagano pa tayo, nagde-depend tayo sa sunlight, di ba? Dahil sa reflector mirror sa baba. But dito sa part na to, meron light at ito po ay electronic microscope. Sige po. So, this is microscope. Very easy to understand, very easy to memorize the parts, but it's not very easy to use because it has regulations, it has rules to follow before uh, taking taking experiment with microscope. Okay po. So, let us define microscope. Microscope, it is an optical instrument used for viewing very small objects such as mineral samples or animal or plant cells, typically magnified several hundred times. That is microscope. Thank you for listening, guys. God bless.